Should you study cybersecurity? A look into your future in cybersecurity. In an increasingly digital world, cybersecurity has become one of the most critical and in-demand fields. With the rise in cyber threats, data breaches, and hacking incidents, the need for cybersecurity professionals is higher than ever. But is cybersecurity the right field for you? What does the future hold for cybersecurity professionals? Let's explore the benefits, career prospects, and challenges associated with this ever-evolving field. Why study cybersecurity? High demand for cybersecurity experts. Cybercrime is on the rise, and organizations worldwide need skilled professionals to protect their networks and data. According to industry reports, cybersecurity job openings are growing much faster than the average for other occupations, making it a lucrative and stable career choice. Attractive salaries and job security. Due to the shortage of cybersecurity professionals, salaries in this field tend to be competitive. Entry-level positions offer attractive pay, and as you gain experience and certifications, your earning potential increases significantly. Moreover, cybersecurity jobs offer strong job security, as businesses and governments will always need protection against cyber threats. Diverse career paths. Cybersecurity is not a one-size-fits-all profession. It offers various specializations, including ethical hacking, network security, incident response, penetration testing, and risk management. Whether you prefer hands-on technical work or strategic planning, there is a role that fits your skills and interests. Opportunities for growth and advancement. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, requiring continuous learning. Professionals can advance their careers by obtaining industry-recognized certifications such as CISSP, CEH, CISM, and CompTIA Security Plus. These certifications open doors to higher-level positions and increased earning potential, making a difference. Cybersecurity professionals play a crucial role in protecting businesses, government agencies, and individuals from cyber threats. By working in this field, you contribute to a safer digital environment and help prevent cybercrimes that can have devastating consequences. What is your future as a cybersecurity professional? Growing job opportunities. The future of cybersecurity is bright, with a projected shortage of millions of cybersecurity professionals worldwide. Companies, from small businesses to multinational corporations, are actively seeking skilled individuals to fill these gaps. Technological advancements. As technology evolves, so do cyber threats. Emerging fields such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and blockchain are influencing cybersecurity. Professionals who stay updated with these trends will have a competitive edge in the job market. Remote and flexible work options. Cybersecurity jobs often offer remote work options, allowing professionals to work from anywhere. This flexibility makes cybersecurity a desirable career for those who value work-life balance. Challenging and rewarding work. Cybersecurity is not a monotonous job. It involves solving complex problems, staying ahead of cybercriminals, and constantly learning new skills. If you enjoy challenges and continuous learning, cybersecurity is an exciting field to pursue. Conclusion. Studying cybersecurity is a smart choice for anyone interested in technology, problem-solving, and security. With high demand, competitive salaries, and diverse career opportunities, cybersecurity offers a promising future. However, it requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability to keep up with the evolving threat landscape. If you have a passion for cybersecurity, now is the perfect time to start your journey in this dynamic and rewarding field.